In this TeamWork 5 employee tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create filters and favorites for your shift bid lines. To do this, go to your top menu bar and click on Bids. Select the shift bid you want to make line selections for. I will choose this one. You should arrive at your bid status page. Go to your new top menu bar and select Search. Now you should arrive at a list of all of the lines you have available to bid on. If you want to narrow your search criteria, maybe you want to work a specific day or you want a specific day off, then you can create a filter. To do that, go to the upper right-hand corner and select Add. Now you can build your filter. This is a shift bid that's only for cashiers, but I'll go ahead and select cashier under station anyway. Then select the work days. Let's say that I want to have Sundays off, so I'll go and click next to Sunday and choose off. And maybe I like to work Mondays, so I'll choose the arrow next to Monday and select on. Then you can create a variety of other filters. If I select times, I can choose the start time, minimum, and maximum, and the end time, minimum, and maximum. I'm going to leave most of these alone. So now I'll look at hours and scroll down. Under hours, I can do the same thing. I can choose my minimum and maximum hours per day and per week. Let's say I don't want to work any more than 50 hours a week, so I'll enter 50 as my maximum. Next, select Other. Now I can choose the type of line I'm bidding on. Do I want to work the same shifts each day? If this shift bid line covers more than 1 week, that might be particularly useful. Do I want to view only skilled lines, lines that I have the skills to work? Or do I want to view only qualified lines? I can also select specific days off here. I'm going to leave all of that alone for now. Then I'll scroll down a little bit more and choose Sort. Next to any of these empty boxes, select the arrow. I can choose the way TeamWork 5 will sort the lines it gives me. I can sort them by group, station, start time, a specific day of the week, whatever I want. Maybe I'll go ahead and say hours per week. If you messed up and you want to start over creating this filter, click Clear. If you changed your mind and you don't want to create this filter at all, click Close. I do want to create this filter, so I'm going to choose Apply. As you can see, nothing showed up, so I need to edit my filter. I'll go ahead and choose Edit. Then I will scroll down, and I'm going to delete this hours per week. Then I'll choose Apply. And now I have more options to choose from. If this is the schedule that I like working, I might want to save this filter so I can use it over and over again. To do that, click Save. TeamWork 5 is going to ask you how you want to save this filter. Right now it's showing me the criteria, and it's showing me the name it's going to give this filter, and the choice. If you change your mind and you don't want to save this filter as a favorite, click Close. I do, so I will select Add. And now that filter has been added to my favorites. To clear this filter and view all of the lines again, click Clear. And now that filter has been cleared. To return to that filter, go up to the Saved section and click the arrow. Now I can see any of my saved searches. So I can click on that favorite filter I just created and automatically return to it. Now I won't have to recreate this filter all of the time. I can also view that filter under my favorites on my bid sheet. If you go to your top menu bar and click Bid Sheet, you can see any of the bids you've made, which I haven't made any, and under favorites, I can see that my first choice is that filter I created. That's how you can create filters and favorites for your shift bid lines in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn more about your TeamWork 5 account.